Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is WhatsApp and how does it work. So let's get started. What exactly is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a messaging platform available globally on all kinds of devices, including iPhone, Android, tablets, and computers. You sign up with your phone number and can communicate with any of your friends and family members around the world as long as they also have a WhatsApp account and an internet connection. You can send messages, create group chats, send photos and videos, and have video and audio calls all for free using WhatsApp. This does not charge any long distance fees that you might encounter when using your typical SMS and phone call services. All you need is Wi Fi. Another benefit is that WhatsApp is as safe to use as they have end to end encryption to keep your conversation private and secure. How does WhatsApp work? It uses your device internet connection to allow you to communicate with your family and friends. If you're connected to Wi Fi, this won't use any of your mobile data. WhatsApp allows you to import your contacts from your device and can automatically detect which of your contacts are already using WhatsApp, making it easier for you to get in touch. You can create message group of up to 100 people and have voice or video calls with up to 32 people at the time. To ensure you'll never lose your chat history, you can back up your WhatsApp data to your device or to iCloud or Google Drive. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.